Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Oh yeah, it's showtime. Let's go. Okay, so we have here another Heroclix Iconics. This time we have Bitildyus. Okay, but I think in the online it's spelled differently, like Betelgeuse, if I'm not mistaken. But for this one, it's spelled Beetlejuice. It's showtime. Okay, and you can see here the silhouette of the man himself, the man, the myth, the annoying figure. Beetlejuice. Okay, I love Beetlejuice. I love the color scheme of green and black. These are my two favorite colors. Okay, on the side you can see it's showtime. What is inside this iconics box, and on the other side it's the same. And then at the back you see here a different kind of artwork. Okay, and a brief description of the product. Okay, Beetlejuice is showtime. Bring one of the funniest ghosts from the history of cinema to your next Heroclix game with Warner Brothers Iconics. Beetlejuice, it's showtime. Whether seances or bioexorcisms are more your style, this ghoul has something for you. Bring the strange and unusual legacy of Beetlejuice. So this is the spelling I mentioned. Okay, to your Heroclix collection. Specifically made for you, the collector, Iconics captures the moments that you love from the pop culture and brings them to your game shelf, play table, or Heroclix collection. Check out this QR code and website for more Iconics figures. At the top, you see the logo and 14 up. And at the bottom, you see this was released 2024. Okay, I love what they did here. The barcode is like the dress of Beetlejuice. Okay, so this is a product wherein you see what you get, because there's a window for you to see the actual piece and the card. And but before we get into cracking it, let's take a look at the brief description again. When a couple of nice young homebody ghosts try to haunt the pretentious humans who have moved into their house, they ask for help from a demonic wraith they cannot control. He'll give you a laugh, he'll give you a fright. He's the ghost with the most, Beetlejuice. Okay, so I haven't watched the film, so that's on me, but I remember fondly Beetlejuice when I was a child. Okay, one of those eccentric characters, funny characters, and he likes to what you call this, be very wacky, eat some ridiculous things. Okay, if I remember correctly. I think bugs, something like that. Okay, or green stuff. Anyway, let's open up and see how they translated it to Heroclix. And I think there's a lot of talk about this figure. Okay, everybody loves him and everybody hates him at the same time. So you know a figure is good if it gets that reputation. Okay, so we have here Beetlejuice. It's showtime. Okay, I like the transparent effect for that shout out. Okay, and he is sitting on a tombstone of Maitland. Okay, I'm not too familiar with the lore of Beetlejuice, but he is a unique figure. Yeah. Okay, let's. Okay, there's some dirt here. I don't know if that's intentional. It seems so. Okay, so sculpt is really nice. Let's see if we can zoom into that face. There you go. Okay, and let's take a look at his card. Okay, so you can notice Iconics card are of different aesthetic compared to your regular card, and this one the text is a bit on the side. I don't know why it's like that. At least for this trait, This one is a little on the slanting as well, but not as much as the first one. So Betelgeuse is a Demon Legion Ghost Realm monster mystical keyword. He has the mystic steam ability as well. He is the WBX1.001 and a couple of traits. The first one, first you gotta say my name. Sideline active. If Betelgeuse is on your sideline, friendly characters have power. Give Betelgeuse a name token. When Betelgeuse has 3 name tokens, remove them and generate Betelgeuse from your sideline adjacent to the last character who gave him a name token. And roll a d6. Turn Betelgeuse to the resulting click number. Okay, so although it's a d6 only, so that means you cannot turn him to click number 7. Okay, and the second trait is it's showtime. Sidestep. Other characters can't be given free actions, and that is the most controversial part of this particular figure because there's a lot of free action in Heroclix. And at the end of your turn, if Betelgeuse wasn't part of your starting force, choose one. Return Betelgeuse to your sideline, or roll a d6 and deal another friendly character unavoidable damage equal to half the result. Okay, so that's why he's played together with Butterfly because you can just KO the the Butterfly bystanders that you generate at the beginning of your turn. Okay, and then at the back, he has the special damage power, Bio Exorcist, which is probability control, shape change. Betelgeuse deals penetrating damage to opposing characters with lower point values than himself. He is himself a 100-point figure, and the real name is unknown. Appearance 1988, Betelgeuse. Okay, I'm just surprised that his name is unknown. Okay, real name is unknown. Okay, so 0 range, 2 targets, but with improved movement, breaks the blocking terrain and characters. Okay, so a lot of players are looking to play him in the sideline. Okay, that's why the Legacy Black Panther throne is also surging in prices because of figures like Betelgeuse, Butterfly, and the gods and whatnot. Okay, so but for me, I need to have him. Whether I'm gonna play him or not is another question to be debated, but he needs to be part of my collection. How about you? Make sure to get this iconic figure. But for now, bye bye. It's bye bye time.